Are you worried your phone is beyond saving? I'll show you how to get the best repair results of your life with just a few simple tools. Let's dive in. First up, you'll need a precision screwdriver set. Most phones use tiny screws, so the right size really matters. Next, grab a set of plastic pry tools. Metal ones can scratch your device. Don't forget tweezers for picking up those super small parts, and a suction cup to lift screens safely. A spudger is your secret weapon for disconnecting cables without damage. And if you want to level up, get a magnetic mat to keep all your screws organized. No more lost pieces. Remember, patience is key. With these essentials, you're ready to tackle most basic mobile repairs. Good luck and happy fixing!